If you're asking if all these important, I would say if you're running ads on Facebook and if you're driving people to your website, either Facebook Pixel or Conversion API, they are necessary because it will actually help you to track and to measure your campaign performance. Now, if the question is coming from another angle, which is if you already have Pixel installed, is Conversion API necessary? It's a different structure of sentence, right? I would say Conversion API is a backup when Facebook Pixel is not working properly. So sometimes there may be some misfiring or misconfiguration here and there or something like that. So, but nonetheless, these two are the same thing technically. It's just that they are implemented at different level. Facebook Pixel is implemented on the website level, which is at a HTML level. Now the Conversion API is installed in your server level. So technically, like for my case, I have both. All right, but if you can, I mean, why not just put both? It doesn't hurt you a bit.